quiet, Peter. I am recording a video. What did you win, sweetie?
The golden ticket! To the secret ice cream factory outside the city. Only 4 people can go.
Wow, Peter! That factory is famous. Nobody knows what is inside.
Wait, the one with the giant chocolate gates? Can we take pictures?
Yes! And we can eat everything for free!
Change your clothes, kids. We are going on a road trip.
Yeah!
Welcome, Miller family! I am Mr. Scoops. Welcome to the world of magic flavors! Thank you for having us, sir. The kids are very excited. Before we enter, one important rule. Do not touch the red levers. Our ice cream is not normal. It has feelings.
Feelings?
Yes! Follow me! This is our emotion room. Try this blue one. It is the angry blueberry.
Tastes like... Wait, why is this room so bright? I am so mad!
Anna! Be polite. Don't worry, the feeling lasts only 10 seconds. Now, try the yellow one.
The happy lemon. Haha! I love this factory! I love school! I love everyone!
That is absolutely perfect! Look at those colors! This is incredible, David. Look at them.
But be careful. The pink machine over there is the giant combo maker. It is very dangerous. I must check the pipes. Stay here and do not touch anything.
Peter, don't go near that. It looks dangerous.
I just want to see the flavor names. Look! It says Super Double Strawberry Mountain. I want to try it.
No, Peter! Mr. Scoop said no!
What happened? What did you do?
It was an accident. The lever moved. It is coming up too fast. We are going to be buried in here.
We need to get out now! Stand on the pipes, kids! Hold my hands! Hold my hands!
Peter! Look at me! You have to climb on my shoulders, then on Dad's head, and open that window from the outside.
No, Anna, I am afraid. I made the mistake. I am sorry.
Peter, look at me. I am your big sister. I am here. You can do this. Save us!
Hurry, kids! The ice cream is too heavy!
I'm so sorry, Anna. I was bad.
It's okay, little brother. You were very brave. You saved the family.
This is a historic disaster. But you discovered a new flavor. Strawberry vanilla and family bravery. Delicious.
I am proud of both of you. You worked like a team.
Everyone, say ice cream!
Ice cream!